Living in Pompano Beach means enjoying ocean breezes, sunny days, and a relaxed coastal lifestyle. But it also means your home must withstand heat, humidity, salt air, and seasonal storms. Choosing the right window styles is essential for maintaining comfort, protecting your home, and reducing long-term maintenance. For Pompano Beach homeowners, certain window styles perform especially well in coastal conditions while enhancing both comfort and curb appeal. Why coastal climate matters when choosing windows. Coastal environments place unique demands on windows. High humidity, salty air, strong sunlight, and wind-driven rain can quickly wear down materials that aren't designed for these conditions. In Pompano Beach homes, the best window styles are those that resist corrosion, seal tightly against moisture, and support airflow to manage heat and humidity. Casement windows for superior sealing and ventilation. Casement windows are an excellent choice for coastal homes. Hinged on the side and opening outward, they create a tight compression seal when closed. For Pompano Beach residences, this seal helps block wind-driven rain and salty air. When open, casement windows catch ocean breezes effectively, improving natural ventilation and indoor comfort. Sliding windows for simplicity and durability. Sliding windows are popular in coastal areas due to their simple design and ease of use. With fewer moving parts, they tend to hold up well in humid environments. In Pompano Beach homes, slider windows are ideal for wide openings and provide expansive views while allowing consistent airflow without taking up interior or exterior space. Awning windows for rain-friendly ventilation. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, forming a canopy-like shape. This design allows ventilation even during light rain. For Pompano Beach homeowners, awning windows are especially useful in bathrooms, kitchens, or bedrooms where airflow is needed without letting rain enter during sudden coastal showers. Impact-resistant windows for storm protection. Storm season is a reality for coastal Florida. Impact-resistant windows are designed to withstand flying debris and strong winds. In Pompano Beach homes, these windows provide added safety and peace of mind while also offering UV protection and sound reduction, benefits that enhance everyday comfort. Picture windows for light and coastal views. Picture windows are fixed windows that don't open, making them highly secure and resistant to air and water leaks. For Pompano Beach residences, picture windows are ideal for showcasing ocean or outdoor views while allowing abundant natural light without exposing the home to moisture intrusion. Double-hung windows with modern upgrades. Modern double-hung windows, when built with corrosion-resistant materials, can still be a practical option in coastal areas. In Pompano Beach homes, these windows offer flexible ventilation while maintaining a classic appearance, especially when paired with high-quality seals and finishes. Vinyl frames for coastal durability. While window style matters, frame material is just as important. Vinyl frames are highly resistant to moisture and salt air. For Pompano Beach homeowners, vinyl windows offer low maintenance, durability, and long-term performance in a coastal climate. Professional installation is essential. Even the best window style can fail if not installed properly. Coastal conditions demand precise sealing, flashing, and alignment. Professional installation ensures windows in Pompano Beach homes perform as intended, protecting against leaks, drafts, and premature wear. Choosing windows that work for coastal living. The best window styles for Pompano Beach combine durability, ventilation, and protection from the elements. Casement, sliding, awning, impact-resistant, and picture windows all offer unique advantages for coastal living. With the right style selection and professional installation, Pompano Beach homeowners can enjoy comfort, views, and peace of mind, no matter what the coastal climate brings.